All right, the first thing you got to do is open up the port door, which exposes where the micro SD card goes. It's right on the side. It's got an indentation. You stick your thumb in, you got to push hard, and it opens up. Now there's our card. To get the card out, I just grab my micro SD adapter, and I'm just going to push against it, and it's going to pop up. So I got the SanDisk. I'm going to stick it in there, push on the card. The spring pops it up, and then I got a little lip on it, and I can grab it with my fingers and pull it out, and bam, you got your card out. Now I'm going to show you how to put it back in. All right, you're just going to reverse the process. You're going to take the card and you're going to have the logo facing you in the back of the camera, stick it in the slot, grab the adapter, put it on the card and push it down until that spring catches it, and bam, Bob's your uncle. Now you got to shut that door, and when you do that, you got to close that little tab there, and you're ready to go. All right, if you like this video, subscribe to my channel. Check out my other awesome videos where I show you stuff like this.